Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install FydeOS on your computer, whether it's your older machine or a modern build. FydeOS is a fantastic Chromium-based operating system built on Linux because it's officially supports Google Play Store, letting you run your Android application right on your PC. First, we need to download the FydeOS image file. Go to the FydeOS website, fyedos.io, then click on download. Now select FydeOS for PC. Here is the tricky part. Uh, you need to select Intel Slim. If you have the PC 2015 to 2019 Intel released, that is 6 to 9 Gen PC, or commonly you can select Intel Modern. And there is also an option that is Intel Legacy, which is 2011 to 2014. And if you have the AMD machine, you can select AMD graphics. So I'm selecting Intel Modern for my laptop. Now there is three options to download the image file from official download, Mirror 1, Google Drive, and Mirror 2, iCloud. And I'm selecting official download, and already I downloaded the file, so I just ignored the download process. Now we need a bootable drive creator tool. You can use Rufus or use Balena Etcher. I am using Balena Etcher. Just type Balena download. Okay, selecting the just click on download teacher, and as I'm using Windows machine, just select download. So you need to prepare some space on your hard drive for the new OS. To achieve this, right click on start button, select disk management, find a drive with some extra space, for example system D, right click on it and click shrink volume. You will need about 40 gigs for FydeOS. Since this is calculated in megabyte, so just type 40,000 and click enter. As I already created it on my laptop because I installed the FydeOS on my laptop. So just simply, okay, my bare nature download is complete. I'm clicking open folder. I need to extract the FydeOS zip file. Just right click on it and using WinRAR or any other extraction software to unzip the file. I already unzipped the file, and this is the binary file, unzip binary file. And before open the Balena HR software, you need to plug in your computer, sorry, plug in your USB drive, and make sure you back up any important data on this pen drive right now. Creating the bootable drive will format the USB and erase everything on it. Then open the Balena HR software. Select flash from file and select the unzip extract image file that is in binary format. Select the file and click open. Already it detect my pen drive, so let's double check it. And this is only a portable drive in my system. There is another three hidden drive. This is our system file, and make sure you didn't select your system drive or any other internal hard drive. Simply click on flash. It will take some time, and automatically Balena Etcher prepare your bootable drive. Now insert your bootable USB drive into your computer and turn it on or restart it. As soon as the system power on and before the manufacturer's logo appears, start repeatedly tapping the specific boot menu key for your hardware. Let example, for my Dell laptop, I am pressing F12 for one-time boot menu. Now here is the list of the bootable drive, and the third one is my bootable pen drive. So I have to select this bootable pen drive. I'm just select it and hit enter button. Now the system will boot from the USB, and I have to wait some time. It will take some time for according to your hardware performance. There is a tip for you. If you are having trouble catching the boot key during the first startup, simply boot into Windows normally. Hold down the Shift key while clicking Restart from the Start menu or the Power option. When the blue Advanced Startup screen appears, click on the Use a device and select your USB drive directly from there. Once the PC successfully boots from USB drive, you will greeted by the FydeOS welcome screen. Then we have to select the language and input method. I keep the default settings. Just select pause and click get started. There is two options: install FydeOS or try it first. Since I'm going to install it permanently alongside my Windows, so click on the install FydeOS and click next. Now the installer interface showing two options. One is full disk installation, another one is multi-boot installation. If you select full disk installation, the system will completely wipe your hard drive and erase Windows and everything. But I am going to install FydeOS alongside my Windows. That's why I'm selecting the multi-boot installation. Click next. The crucial step, partition selection. First, we need to select our target storage drive and partition from the drop-down menu. If you have multiple SSDs or hard drive, make sure to select the main drive where your Windows OS is installed. You can verify it by looking at the total storage capacity displayed next to the drive name. Selecting the blank partition, which already shrunk from our Windows partition earlier inside disk management. Then carefully select EFI partition of the same disk. Normally it will less than 500 MB. After then I am select the recommended option for configuring boot menu and then click install. Remember, don't forget to remove the pen drive from the system. Now the settings is complete. So this is the boot menu. Here is Ubuntu, Windows, and the FydeOS. Select simply FydeOS. Click OK. Now your FydeOS is installed completely. In this time, you have to select all the things again because the system just copied in your hard drive. Now simply select OK. Get started and connect with your Wi-Fi. Click on agree and continue in terms of service. If you have any Google account or previous FydeOS account, you can log in with that. Or if you don't have the account, you need to create one account. I have already created my account and just simply log in with my FydeOS account. I'm providing my email and password. Now I'm creating a simple password because this is a big password to sign in simply, sign in easily. You can customize your settings according to your choice. I just want to change my theme. Selecting purple. So now this is your ready-made FydeOS. I will show you Linux system, how you install Linux subsystem in your FydeOS. Then you can install any Linux application. Thank you so much for watching this video.